Hi, welcome to IT Bus Solutions. Today we will talk about Prometheus and Grafana. So most of the people say it's a monitoring tool, but Prometheus is a monitoring tool. But I will say no. Prometheus is not a monitoring tool, but yeah, it is collecting data. It is collecting data from all the servers which you want to monitor. And what Grafana is doing, Grafana is visualizing that data on a dashboard. So the true statement will be these both can be a when these both can be together, then it can be a monitoring tool. Okay, so Prometheus works on HTTP pull models. What does that mean? It will pull the data from all the nodes which you want to monitor for event monitoring and alerting. Yes, it also supports alerting, and it runs on 9090 port. Okay, the next okay, from here what we will talk about, these are 2-3 keywords which we will gonna use in configuration. While you configure Prometheus, then you will use it. So this is a prometheus.yaml configuration file, and in this the first metric will be scrape interval. What is scrape interval? And this is timestamp. Okay, so in every 15 second it will pull the data. Scrape interval is in every 15 second it will pull the data from its nodes. Which nodes? Which you want to monitor. Clear? The second will be evaluation interval, and the time you can change: 30 second, 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute, as per your needs. So it will check for the new rules that are created or not. Okay, now what is rule? Rule we will talk about in the coming section. Okay, let's proceed further. Okay, so now what is node exporter? So when you install Prometheus, it will give you some default matrices for anything. For example, if you want to get some query, you want to get some graph, so for that Prometheus will give you some matrices. But suppose if you want to monitor CPU, memory, disk alert, machine related anything, for example network in, network out, okay, server related, machine related stuff, you need to use node exporter. So we will install this node exporter as well. Fine. And yeah, its default port is 9100, but yes, it can be modified. You can if you want to run your node exporter on some another port, you can do that. Okay, now what is Grafana? Grafana is used for visualizing the data in terms of dashboards. Okay, it get data from a data source which can be Prometheus or MySQL. Clear? So here Prometheus will work as a data source, not as a monitoring tool. But yeah, in combination of all of these, you can say that it's a monitoring tool. Now what is dashboard? So in Grafana you can import multiple dashboards, whatever you require or need. For example, node exporter we can add, Jenkins we can add. With the help of node exporter we will be able to see uh, the graph of disk, the graph of CPU, graph of networks in, networks out, and on Jenkins dashboard we will be able to see the failed build or success build, like this. Okay, now what is this alert manager? So alert manager is to trigger an alert we need an alert manager. It runs on port 9093. So in our scenario, what we will do, we will install all of these plugins on a single server so that we can see how it's working. Okay, so that's it. And yes, you need to create some rules that we will see in the coming videos, and we have to do some configuration in prometheus.yaml file that where our alerts are. So we need to inform our prometheus.yaml that we have defined some alerts in alert underscore manager.yaml. Please check it. Okay, so on behalf of that, it will check. Okay, let's talk about how it's working. Okay, Okay, so at the top you can see there is a URL. So on that URL you can find all the key points and this diagram. Okay, so now what we can do, I can show you. This is a dedicated server and we have installed Grafana on it, Prometheus on it, Alert Manager on it, Node Exporter on it, and this will be the way how you want to get notified. For example, there is an alert and you want to receive a email. Okay, so for that you need to configure this below notification system. Okay, fine. So now in the left side you can see Prometheus server, and what is in the right side? On the right side there are multiple nodes which you want to monitor. Okay, web server 2, web server 3, it can be any servers. Okay, so now if you remember scrape interval, so Prometheus will wait for 15 seconds and it will go to the nodes and pulls the data. Who will help Prometheus to get that data? That is Node Exporter. Okay, fine. So any server you want to monitor, it should be having Node Exporter installed on it. And okay, let's start with Prometheus. Suppose you have installed Prometheus, and now in the configuration file of Prometheus you will define all those things: scrap interval, evaluation period, all those things, right? And then what you will do, you will install a Node Exporter on the same server where Prometheus is installed. Why? To monitor Prometheus itself. Okay, and then this Node Exporter, for example, you have installed, then we have to make an entry. We have to make an entry in prometheus.yaml file. Clear? And when we install these when we want to monitor these servers 1, 2 and 3, then again we have to make an entry in the prometheus.yaml file, so that Prometheus can decide, okay, these 3 servers I need to monitor. So again it will after every 15 seconds it will go and pulls the data. Fine. If suppose you want to monitor one more server, this one, node 4, okay, then what will happen, you have to install Node Exporter here. Okay, and the next step will be make an entry where prometheus.yaml. Okay, so now it will be clear like how Prometheus is connected with Node Exporter, either on the same node, same server where Prometheus is installed, or either on the other nodes where means it non-Prometheus servers, you can say. Fine, these are non-Prometheus servers. These are just you can say that servers you want to monitor. Now let's talk about what is this Grafana. So as we know, Grafana is a visualizing tool, and how it's connected with Prometheus. So Grafana is a visualizing tool and it needs some data. It's need a data. So from where it will get that data? It will get data from a data source. That can be Prometheus and that can be MySQL. So we are using Prometheus as a data source. Okay, so suppose in these two, Grafana and Prometheus, connectivity is done. Okay, now Grafana has some data in it. Fine, from where? Prometheus. Now it needs some dashboard to show the data, so you can create dashboard and you can import it as well. Okay, plus button indicates create and I indicates import. So that we will see in our coming videos. Okay, so till here, if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section below, and link for this I will provide you.